it's your girl Miss Angela Sawyer, and today I am unboxing something gorgeous and glam from EPI Jewelry, aka Sparkle Heaven. This right here is their Moissanite necklace, and yes ma'am, we are going to get up close and personal. Oh my gosh, would you look at this packaging. It's giving elegant and rich. So it looks like in the box we have the box of jewelry. We also have this little card, and inside of it is some information about Moissanite, and then you also get a little cloth that you can wipe your necklace off with when it gets a little dusty or dirty. So we'll put that back. I know you're dying to see the necklace. So I love how inside this box is a pretty little pink box. Isn't that just gorgeous? And inside this is our Moissanite necklace. And this, oh honey, do you see that sparkle? This necklace is ready to blind someone at lunch. It is so shiny, I feel like I need sunglasses to wear it. Which I'm not wearing any, but I might be later. And now, while you admire how this beauty shines in different lighting, yes, I took her on a little sparkle tour. Let's talk about why Moissanite is a whole moment. Moissanite is a gemstone made of silicon carbide. SiC, basically science speak for sparkle factory. It's similar to a diamond in strength and clarity, but Moissanite has more fire and brilliance. That means it doesn't just shine, it dances. The natural form is super rare, so this piece was created in a lab. But science came through. It has the same chemical, optical, and physical properties as naturally grown diamonds. Even better, it's ethically eco-friendly and way more affordable than a diamond. So you get red carpet shine without the red carpet price. That's why EPI and I were obsessed with Moissanite. This necklace is adjustable. It has adjustable rings all the way from here to here, and then you just click it on wherever you would like. So I think that is very awesome. And here it is. The necklace might look dainty, but it is very hardy, which I am very much here for. This isn't fast fashion. This is real timeless jewelry that sparkles, lasts, and doesn't max out your credit card. Okay, let me show you how this looks in real life, because I had to try her on with a few fits, so let's go. This is my I sparkle even while sipping mimosas look. The necklace makes the whole outfit look expensive, even if the dress came from a clearance rack. When the light hits just right, this necklace is giving mysterious rich auntie with secrets energy. I threw this on, it's a t-shirt, and still looks like I had a meeting at Vogue. That's the power of the right jewelry, one necklace, 3 completely different moods. So if you are loving this look, don't wait, use my code KMIZ18 for 18% off your order at www.epijewelry.com, or click the link in the description. It'll automatically apply the discount for you. No stress, just sparkle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and even share this video with someone that might also appreciate it. For more fabulous finds, glam reviews, and sewing, it's your girl Miss Angela Sawyer, and I will see you in the next video. And I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.